Amlan for revealing three new smart and stylish ART accessories into the Realme ecosystem. Now, as you all are excited, let's get ready to unveil a brand new category, our very first Realme Smart TV. Yes, this is our first ever brand new internet centric smart TV. Now, I will introduce the four prime aspects of Realme Smart TV, which consumers deeply care about: display, audio, content, and the smart question. This will underline why we call Realme Smart TV as the real challenger. Let's start with the display first. Realme Smart TV will come in two sizes, 32 inches and 43 inches. In our survey, these two sizes of the TVs emerged as one of the first and the foremost choices for the Indian consumers. And so, there's a core feature that most of us might have been familiar with. Yes, we have used the original Chroma Boost picture engine, similar to Realme smartphone cameras. Chroma Boost helps users take glorious photos with just a simple click. So this time, we have brought our collective experiences of picture tuning to the TV display. Thanks to the Chroma Boost picture engine, the display can reach peak brightness level of 400 nits and produce vivid true details, color, and the visibility. This means you can watch your favorite movies with supreme clarity, along with the brightness, color, clarity, contrast, and graphic purity are also largely improved because of the Chroma Boost picture engine. To give our consumers a more realistic experience, Realme Smart TV also imbues its picture quality with stunning vitality, rendering the visual perception more vibrant yet authentic and natural at the same time. Realme Smart TV has 7 display modes: standard, sport, movie, user, energy saving, game, and vivid. You can choose different modes when you are watching different contents to relish the best viewing experience. We believe TV should be smart hub that can enable all family members to come together and share the joy. So, the screen is equipped with a 178-degree viewing angle, making it perfect for the multiple people in your family to have an enjoyable group viewing experience. Beneath the high quality screen, we have integrated a most powerful processor from the MediaTek, which is world's #1 chipset maker for digital TVs. Yes, guys. This will also be the first time ever an MTK chipset is being used in this price segment. It sports an efficient 64-bit quad-core architecture with a 1.1 GHz ARM Cortex A53 for CPU, new Mali 473 MP3 for GPU. Powered by great performance, support from the MediaTek processor, and a 1GB 2133 MHz RAM, Realme Smart TV can provide strong performance along with superior picture quality. Mr. Ankur Jain, MD, MediaTek, couldn't join us for the launch, so he has recorded a video for us to share his view on the wonderful MediaTek chipset for Realme Smart TV. Let's have a look at it.
Hello everyone. I hope you and your loved ones are all safe and healthy. This is a very special moment for all of us as we gather to unveil the new Realme Smart TVs today. These being the first smart TVs from Realme, let me begin by congratulating Realme and its enigmatic CEO Madhav Sheth on this milestone. MediaTek and Realme have had a long, fruitful association, and we are always excited to partner with Realme, as is evident from the smartphones we have launched together. Therefore, with great pleasure, I would like to announce that we have taken this collaboration to the next level and are proud to be powering Realme's first smart TVs. As the #1 chipset provider for digital TVs globally, we are sure that this will be an association to remember. Technology is a great enabler, connecting people, devices, and making everything smart around us. Talking about our collaboration, the taglines of Realme smartphones, such as power meets style, etc., resonates well with the superb performance offered by MediaTek chipsets. We believe that Realme provides us an amazing platform for collaboration on an Indian as well as a global scale. As I mentioned before, MediaTek is the #1 chipset provider for digital TVs, and our ethos of designing chips with humans in mind melts well with the Realme's prowess for powerful performance, stylish design, and sincere services. The new Smart TV is an ideal fit for next generation viewers who value an incredible viewing experience, and we promise you nothing less than extraordinary with this innovative offering. As a frontrunner among global fabless semiconductor companies, MediaTek is proud to be powering more than 1.5 billion devices a year. Our core businesses include mobile, home, and automotive. We firmly believe that great technology should be available and accessible to all. We are market leaders in chipset technology for smart TVs, voice assistant devices, Android tablets, feature phones, set-top boxes, optical and Blu-ray DVD players, and we are number 2 globally in mobile phones. We build chips that are less about connecting people to their devices and more about connecting your devices to what matters. And that is exactly why our association with Realme remains rock solid. At MediaTek, our vision is to make the world a more inclusive place, where being smart and connected creates more equal opportunity for users. MediaTek works with the brands you love, like Realme, and gives customer feature-rich and premium technology. We constantly take consumer feedback into account and work towards making the chipsets better in terms of speed, quality, safety, and security. Once again, I take this opportunity to congratulate Realme and Madhav while wishing the brand all the very best in all the future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ankur and MediaTek. Also, because of the powerful chipset, the Realme Smart TV supports HDR10 video decoding, which is rarely found in this price range. Realme Smart TV also comes with HLG, which is another high-quality format for exceptionally good picture quality. In terms of overall design, Realme Smart TV features bezel-less design, something that often comes in TV which are above 50,000 price range. The panel cover layer in Realme Smart TV is edge to edge, and the super thin bezel resides under the layer. In contrast, many TVs in this segment still have a bulky protruding borders which always disturbs your vision. Now let's talk about the audio, which is another key aspect for our TV. As we know, almost all TVs in this segment only features 2 full range speakers to provide the basic sound effect. However, based on 2 full range speakers, Realme Smart TV comes with 2 more tweeters, adding up to 4 speakers in total to better reproduce mid to high frequency sound, such as the voice of the human and the musical instruments. Let's take an insight into the technology behind the Realme Smart TV audio system. 4 speakers are located at the bottom of the Realme Smart TV. Each set consists of 1 full range speaker and 1 tweeter. The combined power of these 4 speakers are 24 watts, giving you a complete audio experiences over other models in the same segment. Also, it has a 2-tone soundbox designed to enhance the potential of the low frequency. The 2 sets are located symmetrically to bring more balanced real sounds through the left and the right channels. And of course, the much awaited Dolby Audio is also in the house. Realme Smart TV uses the latest Dolby Audio solution to bring the most interesting, rich audio quality to the TV sound, which is again a first-in-class feature. With the support of the Dolby Audio, Realme Smart TV can split and play sound in discrete channels from the front side and the rear sides to create a surround sound effect and bring an immersive experience. Besides, the human ear is the most sensitive to the volume changes, while people sometimes in TV suddenly raise their voices. So Dolby Audio algorithm can effectively control loudness levels and eliminate sudden jumps in volume. Dolby Audio can make the necessary dynamic range adjustments to give you clear and distortion-free playbacks. That means you can hear every detail in the sound, whether it's high frequency or the low frequency, from the Realme Smart TV.
Dial up the impact of your entertainment with the enhanced sound of Dolby Audio. Crystal Clarity delivers sharper, more nuanced sound with greater detail and richness for more realistic experiences. Our hearing is most sensitive to volume changes in speech, so Dolby controls the noise with dialogue enhancement, setting loudness levels based on average speaking. And volume leveling helps eliminate the annoying jumps in volume you would normally hear as you transition across various content. Dolby-enabled soundbars create an extremely robust and captivating audio environment with just minimal hardware. Dolby Audio delivers authentic listening experiences without compromise. So when you find time to sit back and enjoy, make the most of it with Dolby Audio. Get more from your entertainment.
Thanks to Dolby, Realme Smart TV is giving you the best in the flagship level sound quality in this price range. Let's now deep dive on what's inside. Realme Smart TV comes with a certified Android TV, brings the most popular tvOS experience straight to you. Android TV not only brings along a mature and intuitive TV using experience, it also brings features and applications of the popular software. Realme Smart TV, along with the Android TV, also bring the most popular streaming media platforms such as Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and the Live TV. The 4 major pre-installed video platforms. In addition, the third-party videos, music platforms, movies, and programs can also be downloaded through the Play Store. Furthermore, Realme Smart TV runs multi-function Android TV in OS. You can download more than 5,000 plus apps in the Play Store spanning games, music, movies, and TVs to infuse fresh new entertainment and enjoy with your near and dear ones. Now, I would like to talk about the Android TV OS, which is also about the simple, helpful, and the comprehensive entertainment. You can use Google Assistant to control the Android TV with your voice, customize the experience to unique interests, and access a variety of content through the Google Play Store and YouTube. Google Assistant can work seamlessly to become your best companion in the living room. Realme Smart TV is compatible with your smartphone as well. It has a Chromecast built-in, which can synchronize online video programs, movies, TV, music, and other content on your smartphone to watch on the TV. At the same time, you can also share the photos and the videos of the TV through your smartphone. Realme Smart TV supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and infrared, Bluetooth 5, and multiple wireless connections. You can connect third-party devices such as Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth controllers for video gamers, and even Bluetooth microphones for karaoke. As for wired connectivity, Realme Smart TV comes with 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, SPDIF and DVB-T2 and Ethernet ports. It will be able to connect to all your devices like PlayStation, smart boxes, Blu-ray players to fulfill all your entertainment needs. Another very important hardware feature is like the all-in-one smart remote. We have customized the remote to yield better convenience. The Realme Smart TV remote control has a stylish design. Through precise weighing, the center of gravity of the remote control is lowered and the grip is specially designed for the palm curvature. It features 3 dedicated hotkeys to access your favorite video platforms with just one click, be it YouTube, Netflix, or the Prime Video. Additionally, with a quick button and built-in microphones, Google Assistant can be accessed in a highly convenient way. The PCB in Realme Smart TV integrates power module, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, processors, and other components. The integrated and the compact design makes maintenance simpler and increases reliability. It also supports a standard VESA bracket for the wall mount mode that makes it feel simpler and more elegant in your living room. Otherwise, you can always go for the classic stand mode. The Realme Smart TV has passed a strict quality test as well, including the extreme cold test, 760mm drop test, and the key reliability test. And we have a new surprise for you on the warranty. Realme Smart TV has a 1 year of warranty along with an additional year of warranty on the panels as well. We will be providing a doorstep installation service within 48 hours of purchase with 780 plus service centers across India, including 17,000 plus pin codes, and this is our commitment for the real choice of India. That was the all-new Realme Smart TV. Here are some of the highlights of the brand new Realme Smart TV. The high-quality screen with Chroma Boost picture engine, bezel-less design, powerful 24 volts, 4 surround sound speakers, Android TV with smart features, high quality standards, and an extra screen warranty. We hope Realme Smart TV emerges as the first choice for the Realme Smart TV users for millions of young consumers across India. Before moving to the price, let's have a quick look at the product video.
This is the sound that the gods will play the part, the cloud.
Okay, Google, what's the weather? Realme Smart TV. Real picture, real sound. Realme, dare to live.
It's time to reveal the pricing for the all-new Realme Smart TV. Realme Smart TV comes in 2 sizes, 32-inch and 43. The 32-inch Realme Smart TV will be priced at 12,999 rupees. The 43-inch Realme Smart TV will be priced at 21,999 rupees only.